Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete your TikTok videos. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to delete your TikTok videos, let's open up our TikTok app first. Pause the video, and now after opening your TikTok videos, to delete your TikTok videos, you can see the profile button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on that profile button, and after landing on the profile interface of your TikTok account, you can see all these videos which you had posted or you have draft on the TikTok itself. Now to delete a video, choose the video which you want to delete, and after choosing your video, you can see the three dotted icon at the bottom right side of your screen, this one where I'm tapping right now. And after that, after you tap on it, there are the three lines of options appearing where you can see either you can send to direct TikTok users or through social media, and on the third line of the options, scroll to the right or the left and you can see the delete option available over here. Tap on delete and again delete, then your video on TikTok will be deleted. And there guys, this is how you delete your TikTok videos. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.